Every beginner trader gets this wrong. I know because I did it too, and it nearly ended my trading career before it even got started. And here's the thing. It's not about picking the wrong stock, using the wrong indicator, or even chasing hot tips. The real mistake is much deeper, and if you don't fix it early, it will quietly destroy your account, your confidence, and your future in trading. But once you do fix it, everything changes. Suddenly, you're no longer gambling, you're trading with a purpose. And today, I'll show you exactly how to flip that switch. I'm Kevin Lloyd with MarketProTrading. I've been trading stocks and options for over 20 years, and my mission is simple: to help traders like you avoid the mistakes I made, cut through the noise, and finally build consistency in your trading. So what's the mistake every beginning trader gets wrong? It's this: they focus on making money right away instead of managing risk. Most beginners come in with dollar signs in their eyes. They ask, how much can I make on a trade? Instead of asking, how much am I willing to lose? That tiny difference in mindset is massive. It's the line between blowing up your account and building a sustainable trading career. Think about it. The Wall Street pros aren't asking, how much can I make on a trade? They're asking, what's my risk? Where am I wrong? And how do I protect my capital? That's why they last decades in the game, while most beginners last days or months. Here's how this usually plays out. A new trader sees the stock skyrocketing and he jumps in with their whole account. No plan, no stop loss, just FOMO, the fear of missing out. Stock pulls back. Instead of taking a simple $200 loss, they hold on, hoping it bounces. That $200 loss turns into $2,000 quickly. Suddenly, the whole account's down 20%, confidence is totally shattered, and they're too scared to take the next setup. I've literally coached traders who blew up $10,000 accounts in less than a day. Not because they were dumb, they spotted good trades, but because they had no framework for managing risk, no process. And without risk management, even the best strategy in the world won't save you. The good news: the fix is simple to understand, though it takes discipline to execute. Always define your risk before entering. Know exactly where you'll exit if the trade goes against you. Size your positions properly. Trade small enough that one loss won't wreck your account or your mindset. Always use stop losses. They're your seatbelt. You hope you never need them, but when you do, they can save your life and your trading account. Focus on the process, not the profits. The goal isn't to hit a home run today. It's to stay consistent so you can trade tomorrow and stay in the game. When you make this shift from I have to make money to I have to manage risk, everything changes. You stop gambling and start trading like a professional. And this is exactly what I teach inside MarketProTrading. Our courses, education, and coaching programs are built around the exact same principle professional traders use. Because here's the truth. Once you learn to protect your downside, the upside takes care of itself. Suddenly, your losses are controlled, your emotions settle, and your wins start stacking up pretty predictably. That's when trading stops feeling like a casino and starts feeling like a real business. No business survives by gambling everything on one customer or one big deal. They protect their cash flow, control expenses, and build steady profits. Your trading account works the same way. Treat it like a business asset, protect it, manage it, and you'll finally give yourself the chance to grow. Back when I first started trading, I thought I found the holy grail, that one hot stock tip that could double my account in a week. I felt like I was unstoppable. Then the next trade, I gave it all back and more. That cycle repeated itself until I realized the problem wasn't my strategy, it was my mindset. Once I flipped to the risk-first trading style, everything changed. My results leveled out, my emotions calmed down, and I finally felt in control of my trading. That's the shift I want for you. So here's your takeaway. Every beginner trader gets this wrong, but you don't have to. Stop chasing profits. Start managing risk right away. That's the foundation of real, consistent trading. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the weekly pro-level trading lessons I post here. And if you want to fast-track your progress, head on over to MarketProTrading. Inside, you'll find coaching, education, and real trading framework built to help you trade with structure, confidence, and discipline. I'm Kevin Lloyd with MarketProTrading. Trade smart, manage your risk, and I'll see you in the next video.